2011 Tahoe, check engine light, 213,300 miles on the odometer. So let's take a look. I'm using my Matco scan tool here. So we are going to Diagnostic. And I changed the color to green. It's going to look like Christmas here in a second. Health report. It's manual. And for some reason, Chevrolets like to take a minute. Without, I remember looking in there, which will be in the glove box. It'll tell you what it's asking for, the suspension. ECM. 2 codes. These Chevrolets take forever. It is not 12:38 p.m. I just never changed the time. You know what? Let's move this up here. Or not. Engine oil pressure sensor circuit high. Engine oil pressure sensor performance. I think it needs a new oil pressure switch. So, and I actually already knew that because I diagnosed it before, but I wanted you guys to see the code. But I'll go ahead and get one ordered for this bad boy. And we'll put an engine oil pressure switch in it. Now, the oil pressure switch is bad on this one. This thing just had an oil change not too long ago. So you would actually check the oil filter, the oil level, and all that stuff. The engine's not making any noises. But if you take the appearance cover off, which is down there on the floor, the oil pressure sender or switch is that blue connector right there. And one of the easiest ways to get to it, it says you're supposed to take the intake off and all that good stuff. But if you follow this hose, I can show you. Which it's just got hot one of these little locky tabs on it. Okay. Push over, unlock it. And if you just kind of pick up on this, because it turns, kind of go over that, be very gentle, over that, and then pick it up out of there. That gives you room to get back here. You're gonna lift up on the gray tab and then unplug. So get some more light down in there. reach back there. And I'm gonna pull the little lock tab up. Let's see. Got the lock tab sticking up. And then I'm gonna reach in there and pull up on it. Now it's unplugged. It right there. That right there is the sensor. And all you gotta do is just get you a sensor socket, put it down there, unscrew it, put your new one in. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a sensor ordered for this thing. And I just wanted to show you that's where it's located at, that's how you get it out, and then we'll clear the code. But I'm not gonna fix it today. I just wanted to show you where it's at. You don't have to take the intake off. Not like it tells you to. You can easily stick your hand back there, unplug it, put your socket on there. That's a special sensor socket. Unscrew it, screw your new one in, snug it down, plug it back in, put your cover back on. Make sure you put this hose back in. And that's it. I love you guys. See you on the next one.